All right, chicos, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to take you on a 4-day walking tour in one of the biggest parks in North America here in Mexico City, Chapultepec. Vámonos, let's go. Here with two gringos on the golf, Jennifer and Daryl, and our lovely friends, Chuck and Courtney. Vámonos.
Okay. Let's go. Vámonos. Let's go eat. Have some hot dogs or something. Okay, let's go for a walk and explore the rest of the park here. Go grab some poison from somewhere. Some street vendor food or something.
They also call the park the Green Lung, as it's the lungs of the city. Guys, this just isn't a park. It's over 800 hectares of living history. From here, we are heading up the hill, headed towards the castle, my friend. Vámonos.
So the CDMX letters are over there on that bridge. I've seen people take pictures. I mean, there's a few places around the city with the CDMX letters. That's pretty. They got rain.
Just imagine the history these trees have seen, from the rise and fall of emperors.
What are you looking for? How's your coffee? Starbucks, typical Starbucks coffee. Yeah, they're getting ready for the rain. Some of them are closing shop. Wait for the girls, I guess. Looks like a good spot over here out of the way. Look at this tree, eh? Yeah. Well, I felt a couple drops already. It's a coming, the rain's coming. I'm gonna go through here along the shoreline. It's not that impressive.
Or they're not as colorful as the ones in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a metal sign.
So as we're walking along, we're actually looking for something to eat, like something substantial. We thought there'd be a lot of street food out here, but all we're seeing is a lot of vendors selling trinkets and quick snacks. You know, grab a bag of chips or some cotton candy or, you know, some junk food. We're not seeing any tacos, tortas, or anything at all like that. No hot food whatsoever. We were a little bit disappointed, to be honest with you, as we were all hungry and we're looking for some street food. It's just not to be found.
One hand and one hand.
Una capita, sombrilla, prevéngase del agua, amigo. Una capita, sombrilla. El aguacero le vale el doble de precio, ¿eh? El aguacero le sube el doble de precio.
You should Google, like, I don't know if you're like committed to this list of disease, but there are like, you should Google one.
Hay agua, corre, fresco, frío, ¿qué le damos?
What can you hear? Oh.
Maybe not.
Huevos siempre preparados al gusto de usted.
When you hear empanadas frying, let me know.
Yeah.
Tenemos deliciosos hot dogs, quesadillas,
I see somebody, people walking by with food, so it's gonna be someone.
Yeah, I was looking for a hoodie. But
Yeah.
it's not as cold as I thought it would be. Yeah, we have to take these.
They take Visa.
Tacos, flautas, gorditas, grisano de pollo, hamburguesa, pupusas a la francesa que le damos. ¡Mucha risa, no! ¡Mucha risa!
I know.
Remember, you got these monkeys on their heads, eh? Monkey heads. Oh, we're getting into the treats now. I see goodies.
If it's your first time to the park, keep an eye out for the historic castle, the many beautiful lakes, and the world-class museums hidden throughout the trees. Whether you're here to relax by the water or dive into the culture, I hope you find as much magic in this space as we do. Enjoy your walk. Guys, this park is older than many cities in the world, if you can believe that. The route stretching back to the Aztec Empire. It's a perfect place to witness the contrast between the tranquil nature and the sprawling modern skyline of the city.
Hazle, joven, a ver qué te damos.
A long walk. I think you're going here.
Gotta be somewhere.
As we walk through these trails, you will notice the ancient trees. Some of these giants have been standing here for centuries, watching the city change around them. You know, Chicos, as we walk through the park here, it looks super busy, but it's actually quite easy to find a nice secluded spot to sit and be by yourself and collect your thoughts and just be at one with nature.
Okay, so I think to go to the castle. I think we have to make our way over that way.
What really makes Chapultepec truly unique is that it's not just a park, it's a cultural hub. It houses the National Museum of Anthropology, one of the most important museums in the world, and it stands right at the foot of the only royal castle in North America.
You want to get us?
You'll see people from all walks of life here, vendors selling local snacks, families relaxing and jogging, enjoying the fresh air. It is the place where the soul of the city comes to rest.
Okay.
I think this is the castle here.
Yeah.
Looks like it to me.
We have to walk up the hill to go to the top. You see the top of the castle?
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a dump. We are gonna get a dump.
Coca-Cola y Coca Cero de este lado, caballero.
¿Qué amigo?
De tomate de este lado. Coca-Cola y Coca Cero, papita, chocolate, cacahuate, comida, galleta.
Well, my friend, as we wrap up our walk, I hope you felt the unique energy of this place. A place where history, nature, and the vibrant life of Mexico City intersects. Thank you so much for joining us on this walking tour of the park today, my friend. If you're ever in Mexico City, this is the place you have to experience for yourself. Until next time, mis amigos, God bless everybody out there, peace on earth, and remember, as always, be kind to one another. Adios, hasta luego, Dios te bendiga, like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Well,
Gulf, just us and the tide slow pull, chasing the horizon, feeling that freedom to the full. Yeah, it's two gringos on the Gulf where the salty breeze blows free, casting lines and making memories, wild and happy as can be.